Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Norman Manley International Airport. And if you guys don't know, last year, in October of 2018, our Prime Minister Andrew Holness actually signed that airport over to Mexican officials, or a Mexican management company rather, to manage that airport. So that airport is not being run by Jamaican officials. It's run by a Mexican management team, also the one in Montego Bay. And quite frankly, I've been paying really close attention to the Norman Manley International Airport since they have taken over. And one thing I realize is that a lot of cocaine is floating through these airports. So let's get into it. It says narcotics police seized 53 pounds of cocaine and 100 pounds of ganja with a combined estimated street value of over 26 million in two separate incidents on Tuesday, February 12th. The first incident occurred at about 11:30 a.m. at Norman Manley International Airport during security screening of a shipment of the ground provisions. A detailed check of the shipment revealed that cocaine concealed among goods. 4 persons were taken into custody in connection with the find. The cocaine that was seized has an estimated street value of $26 million. About 12:30 p.m., lawmen were alerted following anomalies that were found in a shipment of Cape mix and tarpaulins at the shipping agency on Hagley Park in St. Andrew. Tracks reveal approximately 100 pounds of compressed ganja among the shipment. No one was arrested in the connection with the seizure. The ganja has an estimated street value of $400,000. The narcotics police are appealing to anyone with information about the seizure to contact 876-923-5723 and the police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. So I did a quick search of cocaine at Norman Manley Airport since December 2018, and I'm gonna give you guys some of the headlines. And it says 62-year-old man, British man, charged for cocaine at Norman Manley. Canadian arrested for drug smuggling leads to cocaine at Norman Manley, and that was in December of 2018. The first one was December of 2018. Woman caught with cocaine at Norman Manley International Airport, October of 2018. Caribbean mother and daughter busted with cocaine at Norman Manley International Airport, and the list goes on. And that's just a few of the titles and headlines that I've seen since these Mexican official took over our airport. A lot of people were saying that the airport is going to be a drug way for people to smuggle stuff in, and that's exactly what it has become. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. I personally think that there needs to be an oversight body that Jamaican watching the airport also, but that's just my opinion. What are yours? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.